So how did y'all's first day of harvest go? Ours, always slow. Always slow. Welcome back to Midtown, y'all. We're gonna try to get going on wheat. Spent the morning and finish it up. Finish putting the nose cones on, or tighten all them up. Gonna let tighten up. Lock the head up. And then I spent about, an hour and a half or so rinsing out the AC condenser on this. Brought it over here this evening, and it was coolish. Wasn't super cool like I like it. It was cool enough, but yeah, washed out the AC condenser, worked out a bunch, worked out good. We gotta check a sample when we get back to you in a minute. Well, good news is wheat's 13.8, so we can take it to town. Bad news is cutter bar shot. When I mean the cutter bar shot, the knives in the cutter bar were out. I don't have another set of knives, but I got another cutter bar up in the head. So we're gonna give the old change up real quick. It ain't gonna be quick. It's gonna be a little while, but it'll get changed. I thought maybe it's just feeding weird when I was in this little thin weed at the end rows, but it's not. When I got in thicker weed, it got even rougher. So we'll get this thing swapped out and go from there. I think we got to change the drive if we can go and stick it in some. Yeah, this has got a bad drive head, but we can stick it in there and throw the head off this one. But watch them blades, they're sharp. Wait a minute. Along that way. Alright. Back up. A little more. Jesse, there's a hammer down at your foot. Right here. You'll need that. How you doing? Got it. There you go. Got it. Here's right here, and we'll change it in. Getting set back up. I've managed to sweat through all my clothes. It's a nice steamy 95 out right now. Woo! I drank 1 gallon of water today. Working on the 2nd gallon. I mean, them Joyce boys over there in West Tennessee might have something, wearing them shorts. It might be a good idea this week. It's steamy outside. Got the knife changed out. I was thinking we had I've already missed the bolt one. I can see that from here. But I think we got extra bolts in the bag. Yes, we do. That's why I keep a few spare parts in the truck in the combine. Whatever, I'm in something, I know that. Put the eagle eye on it, seen it. So right now, Jesse's helping me. I noticed that the radiator of that red truck had a bunch of junk in it, so he's gonna wash it out for me. And all I'm gonna do is cut trucks full. Yep, I thought I seen one missing right there. New bolts in. Check the rest of this. This looks all right. Glad I saw that, because this is a brand new set of knives. We're gonna try it again. See how this thing cuts. Hopefully, it'll cut a lot better. It should. If it don't, we got other problems. Pretty sure it's due to that knife being dull. Oh yeah, we're already running faster right now. Yep. So when we started, about 2.2 mile an hour is about as fast as I could get going. I thought it was due to the thin wheat. Wheat's still up at 10 on the center row. I'm running 3.5 right now. There's 3.8. I think I should go get it to 4, so yeah. It's a good call on change now. Oh yeah, I told y'all that this thing had 3/4 tank of fuel in it, and it was 265 diesel. You have to think about that, so I checked. Went back and looked at my checkbook. Last time I bought fuel in November for the combine, it was $1.85. A mere 7 months ago, I paid $1.85 for diesel. Today, I think it's $5.25. So, just do a little rough math. We're gonna burn about 100 gallons a day between this and a tractor. We're not counting trucks. So, that's gonna be $525 per day in fuel to run. Is that right? I think that's right. All right. Oh, out tractor rabbit. Better run, rabbit. See, now we're cruising about 4.2, and she is just hammering through the wheat. Looking good. So how did y'all's first day of harvest go? Ours, always slow. Always slow. We've been prepping stuff for 3 or 4 days on and off, not really consistent. Like we were still doing hay stuff, rolling hay, picking hay up. Still had to spray a little bit, so days we could do that, we were servicing the combine. Finding things that need to be fixed, trying to find parts. That's, yeah, trying to find parts. You can't find them, or you find them, they're 2-3 weeks out, so you decide, you know what, I guess we'll just build. Just fix what we got. Right. So that's what we've been doing. We've just kind of been fixing stuff. Get everything squared away. Until like the 5 days we worked on it, we probably only really worked on stuff maybe 2 full days at the most. I kind of finished up this morning what we had left to do. Big thing was get the head locked in the original position and get the AC condenser, turbo cooler, hydraulic cooler, and radiator of the combine washed out. I don't know when y'all see this, but today's like the 13th of June, and they're calling for a heat advisory all week. Today is going to be the cool day, which is Monday. I think it's already in the mid-90s today, like about 95 out. It's hot, humid as all get out. Like I was saying before I done dropped a gallon of water, sweating through all my clothes, even my jeans. I do really like the new nose guns, the short ones. I do have the long tips for them. Might run them in beans, might not. So right now I'm actually cutting the wheat a little bit lower than I normally cut it. I'm trying to get the feel for these new news combs. And where I need to hold the platform and actually cut it high. New cutter bar though. Actually, that's not the big one. That cutter bar is the one that came in the running position in the head. And it broke on me. I broke it, put that one back together with a splice kit, put a whole new set of blades on it, and stuck it back up in the holder. So behind your reel below the head, it's got a holder for extra bar. So I reminded Dad that the guy we bought this from didn't know the bar was in there. And I pointed it out when we slugged on the head, and he's like, "Oh man, I need that." I was like, "Too late, bud. We done bought it. It's part of the deal now." So we'll go dump one on the truck, and then we'll start opening up the inroads on the south side of the field, and we'll go up the west side of the field. We'll find us a good spot to run the angle. Yeah, I'm loading trucks in my backyard. Where else you supposed to load them out? We don't hang this stupid fiber optic internet line, which is right there. The hotter it gets out, the lower that thing gets. Come on, bud. Jack. Bring you some snacks. Come on, get in. Just gun mode. Snacks down there. Scoop the cooler over. All the junk in the floorboard. Remember, Jack, when you operate the equipment, make sure you got plenty of junk in the floorboard. All right, there you go.
Hey.
All right, buddy, we beat the horn, ready to roll? High five. All right. Yeah, the horn goes beep beep. Contact. Yep, contact. And we're combining.
What?
Yeah, we're driving straight to the side.
Whoa!
Yeah, there goes Jesse. There's a tree down over there. He's gonna go check it out. Yeah, I found a tree down on the backside. Jesse's on the four-wheeler. He's gonna ride around and check it out and see. Pretty sure we can cut it out and take the fence down. Found a good stopping spot. Sun's going down. Humidity's starting to come up. Wheat's not cutting good like it did an hour ago. Decided to stop. Got all the trucks full. I left the grain cart empty for tonight. Semi's full. Both dump trucks are full in the barn. Like always, good Lord's willing, we'll catch you on the flip side. Till the next.